So in this question, you're given a value that at -3, f is 4. Okay, so f of -3 is 4. And you're asked to use that to determine an ordered pair on this graph, okay, which is a shifted graph. But maybe it might be easier to think of it as just another function. So if I write g of x as f of x minus 5 plus 2, you want to figure out, if I plug in a number for g, what's a value for y, right? And so, you set this equal to y like that. And in order to utilize this information right here, the number we have to plug into g has to make what I plug into ultimately into my f a -3. So in other words, what we're going to do is we're going to set x minus 5, which is what's in here, equal to -3, because we're going to use this fact. And so the x value we end up plugging in is going to be -3 plus 5, which is 2. 2 is going to be the number we're going to use to plug into g. And so let's go ahead and do that. And so we're going to have g of 2 is going to be f of 2 minus 5, and then plus 2. And f of 2 minus 5 is f of -3 plus 2. And we know what f of -3 is. It's 4. So we say then that's 4 plus 2, which gets you 6. So g of 2 is 6. And so the point that has to be on this graph is 2, 6. All right, I hope that helped.